Ever notice how slow your data entry feels, even when you're typing fast? The problem isn't your speed, it's your movement. After entering a value, most people grab the mouse or press arrow keys to move to the next cell. That tiny delay, repeated hundreds of times, kills productivity. Here's the fix. Press Tab. Instantly, Excel moves you one cell to the right, smooth, controlled, and fast. Imagine you're filling out a sheet with name, email, and phone. Type the name, hit Tab, enter the email, hit Tab again, then the phone number. No mouse, no breaking rhythm, just continuous flow across the row. Small key, massive time saver.